Welcome everyone. One of the biggest things that slowed my recovery wasn't a lack of exercises or stretches. It was consuming too much information without taking enough action. I watched countless mobility routines, rehab videos, and exercise breakdowns. Every video promised something different, but the more I watched, the more stuck I felt. I fell into the habit of overly consuming content, thinking if I just watched one more video, I would get the breakthrough that I desperately needed. Though if that were the case, my exercise video playlist wouldn't be in the hundreds. No amount of information can replace real life experimentation. You don't learn what works for your body by watching, you learn by doing. And that's not to say that doing research isn't important. You do need to have some sort of an idea of what you're doing. But if you're spending more time watching videos than engaging in consciously active movement, there lies your problem. It was honestly overwhelming. I knew a lot of theory, but had absolutely zero clarity. Everything seemed very important, so I didn't even know where to start. It was very frustrating reading or watching something new and thinking, great, now I have to start working on this too. There seemed to be no end to the new discoveries I would make that dramatically changed what I thought should be prioritized at the moment, making me chase goalposts that were always moving. There's a baseline amount of learning that helps, but beyond that, more information creates analysis paralysis. And I don't know about you, but I was not trying to become a full-on physical therapist or sports scientist just to figure out what was wrong with me. Progress started when I chose a few movements, tried them consistently, and paid attention to how my body responded instead of chasing new ideas. There is no shortage to the amount of different movements out there. So the problem isn't about running out. It's about seeking alignment with movements that suit your body, goals, and needs. It's not about finding the perfect routine. It's about starting somewhere, seeing what helps, removing what doesn't, and adjusting. And I'm gonna just tell you this. The person who starts to take action towards their recovery with little or even incorrect information will far surpass the person with all the information yet remains inactive due to fear, doubt, and uncertainty. Watching more videos won't save you. Only experience will let you know what your body truly needs. Your mind may agree with a specific routine or exercise that looks promising, but until you consult with your body through trial and error, only then is when you'll figure out if what you tested is truly compatible for you. If you're stuck, you're not broken. You might just be consuming way more than you're actually applying. Take a break and spend some time to really get to know your body. What hurts, what triggers pain, and what feels right. There is no tutorial for listening and understanding your body. It is something deeply individual and personal, which is why ultimately only you can know what works best for you, no matter what anyone else recommends. Take what you've learned, pick one or two things, and start. Experience will always teach you more than information. Don't be afraid of making mistakes and failing. That's part of the process that will eventually lead you to the real data and information that you need to figure out what actually works. If this helped you with your own recovery journey, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for your time.